Jel snimaš? We're talking to the microphone now. What's up?
Yeah, ain't nothing. How you doing? Fala. Nice to be here. You know, Belgrade, Serbia. It's a great time.
What you think about Belgrade?
Yeah, I'm loving it. It's been 10 years since I've been back. I want to say, you know, much respect to
You've
the
been
real.
here before?
Yeah. Like 10 years ago. I want to say.
I didn't know.
Yeah, much respect to the hip hop family out here.
For real? I mean, you've been to Germany, right?
Yeah.
You've been to Norway, right?
Yeah.
What you think about Serbian fans?
Yeah, Serbian fans, they full of power, they full of energy, and most important, they full of love, you know, and I respect that.
It's real. It's real. Like this. In Serbia, it's like this. What you think about the ladies?
Well, you know, I got my beautiful, that's my fiance here with me, you know, so, yeah, the ladies are beautiful, you know. Ladies are beautiful.
Okay, it's okay. You don't have to talk. You have a fiance. I understand.
What that?
You're giving out free CDs.
No, you know, I'm promoting my new album, so I'm selling a CD for a real cheap price.
What's the name of the album?
Body of the Life Force Part 2. It's available on iTunes, on Deezer, on most internet websites, you know, and it's just all about the further in my career with the new album, you know.
It sounds great.
Yeah,
It really does.
crazy.
I haven't listened to your new album, but I will cop it immediately, like yesterday.
Yeah, you got Sean Price on there,
Sean
Elder
Price.
Sensei, Jedi Mind Tricks.
Jedi Mind Tricks.
The album is really, really sick.
Man, it sounds great. I gotta listen to it. The name of our show is Mikrofonologija. It means we like expand the borders of hip hop in Serbia. That is our cause.
Right on.
So can you say Mikrofonologija?
Yeah. Yo, this your boy Afu-Ra, rockin' Serbia, Belgrade, Mikrofonologija, spit it one time, Afu-Ra, wickedest flow, and don't know, Afu-Ra one time, mix that hip hop with that reggae, have them screaming yaga, yo, boom!
Back in the day we used to move samples of floppy disks, but nowadays I only wanna fuck with the exotic chicks. Is that right?
Right on.
Right on.
All the beautiful women in the world.
Jerkovic,
Afu-Ra,
Srbija,
watch out!
fuck yeah!